Hey guys, MedTech5769 here, and I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 5. Just got it in today, and this is actually why I'm recording with my iPhone. That's why the quality is kind of bad. It's because I'm kind of saying goodbye to it for the new 1080p. It's not really new because it isn't the 4S, but yep, and you can see I haven't even opened it yet because that's why I'm having major troubles. I'm going to actually set my iPhone down here for a second so I can get this open easier. Alright, and I have to check on this really quickly just to make sure there's like no crap that you guys could use against me, and there isn't. Alright, so when I first open up, it said getting started for Verizon, yeah, all this stuff I'm not going to show you because it's my warranty. A bag that I don't care about. And here's the real stuff. Alright, as you can see, not going to show you that. Yep, all of that. No, I'm just trying to get a slight little cut so I don't cut the box and be very sad about my new iPhone having a cut box. Alright. Sorry about my... Let's get all this crap out of the way. Let's do a side view. Alright, so after my awkward noise, this is the new, don't want to pull that screen up yet, the new iPhone. It is very, very light, incredibly light. Now let's put this aside before I peel everything off and set it up. Alright, let's see what's in here first. See, it says designed by Apple. If my freaking old iPhone will focus. There we go. Designed by Apple in California. Yeah, manuals, nobody really gives a crap about that. I already have fingerprints on there, as you can see. Alright. Here's the charger. Here's the new Lightning plug-in. Here are the pods. The new earpods. I'll open those up in a second. Alright. So, let's actually go ahead and take this plastic off. Haha, I'm having a nerdgasm. Alright, see there? That's the plastic on top. Nobody really cares about, but I'm going to show it anyway. And here's the backing. Nice aluminum finish. Really nice. Alright, now before I start that up, I'm going to go and plug in the charger. Let's get these ear pods. I'm going to have to set this down to open them. Sorry guys about that, it's just... Yeah. You understand. About my troubles. Alright, dang it. There's not even a way to open this. There we go. Alright, so I just got the casing off, and that's what they look like. Pretty cool. Not really gonna unravel it right now, because that's just not what I do. Alright, so now I'm going to get this charging thing. I really would do a better unboxing, but my camera is also out of battery, and I couldn't find a charger. I wanted to get this up for you guys as soon as possible. Alright, well, there's no charging thing, but I'll just show you the little new pin connector. If it'll freaking focus, my gosh. You know what, now I'm happy I got the new iPhone. There, nope, don't wanna do that. Still don't want to do, there we go. As you can see, plugs into the bottom right there. Yeah, you get it. Alright, now let's start this thing up. Let's see if we can focus it. Yep, I know it's made by Apple. All right. Let's get this set up. Oh, look at that animation. iPhone. English. United States. Now I'm gonna set this down as I ran my passcode, because I do not. Alright, let's see if it'll join. Come on. Dang it. There we go. No network connection. Oh. Activating your iPhone. Yes. Alright, well, I'll just go ahead and iCloud backup and see what happens. Alright, now I'm gonna have to type in. Alright, Apple ID is... Dang it, I forgot. Oh, there we go. Password, not gonna tell you that because I am not a stupid person. Next, signing in. Alright, here's the terms and conditions, which I'm not gonna send to my email. Agree. Yes, I agree. Okay. No back. Oh, shoot. Okay. So now I'm going to go plug this into iTunes. And there will be a part 2 video for the rest of us. Alright, so this is Matt Tech 5769 signing off temporarily.